Hello friends, subscribe my channel Q Card. Describe a time when you observe the stars. Let's start. Sky watching is my activity on the summer days. I like to observe twinkling star, shining moon in the sky. It's such a relaxing activity for me and it gives me satisfaction. I feel how the beautiful universe is. These stars are immense and abundant in the Milky Way. I like to observe the different patterns and make the shape in my head just by looking at them. Here, I am going to talk about one day when I observed a lot of stars in the sky. In my summer vacation, I used to sleep on my trees and love to rest in the open air. While lying on my bed, I check the sky every day. I love watching the sky. Normally, I do this every day when I am also, but once my daughter
and
came
information
and said
about the
with
planet,
me,
star,
we
Milky
observe
Way
all
and
the
universe.
stars
She
together.
asks me lot of the question and
I
I
gave
answer all
her
of the
a
them.
lot of knowledge
This
and
made her
information
curious
about planets,
about the sky
stars,
and universe.
Milky Way,
We
and
observed some
universe.
twinkling
She
stars
asked
and
me
bigger
lot of
ones which
questions
were more
and I
visible.
answered all of
We
them.
also observed
This
some
made
common
her
pattern of
curious
star in
about
the
the
sky.
sky and
We
universe.
even
We
talked
observed some twinkling stars and bigger ones which were visible. We also observed some common pattern of the stars in the sky. We even talked about their position and direction of different stars. Their importance in mythology and historical importance once they were used for navigation in ancient time. I felt so good about the experience of watching stars with my daughter. I felt so proud to transmit the knowledge which I received from my grandfather. He told me a lot of the stories about stars and universe. I transmitted to next generation, so it was satisfying experience for me. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.